Hi and welcome to another MSc training video. Today we'll be discussing recoding your safe. Now whilst this is a very simple process, please feel comfortable to repeat this as many times as possible. If this is a brand new safe and you are recoding it, you're going to be entering the factory code. So we'll say this twice. You'll be entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that will actually access the safe for the very first time. Watch me enter the keys right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the safe will open. Very important at this stage, keep the door open, and that's a security thing for us as we're recoding. We're now going to actually push in 6 zeros. That's resetting the lock. You'll see me do that in a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're going to actually put in the factory code again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've now done a reset. Now you put in your new code. Repeat it again. Two beeps signifies that your code has been accepted. You're actually now able to lock the door. Thank you again for choosing MSc, and you now have a new code. Congratulations.